God. Okay, you guys, good morning. My 5-year-old is sick. My Reagan bear. Say hi. She is sick. She's been out of school for 3 days now. Today make the third day. No. Today actually make the fourth day. It was Thursday, Friday. I went and got her early. Well, my husband went and got her early yesterday. And then she's not, today is Tuesday and she's not going to school. I'm not a big person. I'm not big when it comes to medicines. I don't get the flu shot and I don't like taking medicine, and the same is with my daughter. I don't like giving her a lot of different types of man-made medicine. I'm sorry, that's just me. So I was looking on Pinterest for a unique way and a natural home remedy way to get rid of coughs. So it say use honey, lemon juice, coconut oil, and you can add a dash of apple cider vinegar. Okay, I don't have any. No, I thought I had vinegar in here. No. Okay, apparently I don't have any apple cider. I thought I did. Okay, well, I don't have any apple cider vinegar. Well, that's just an add, and these are the three main ingredients. You can add the apple cider vinegar, and it's crazy because I was just telling my mother-in-law that yeah, that's to clean the garbage disposal. I was just telling my mother-in-law that if you ask your grandma, about ways to get rid of things, they will give you ingredients that you already have in your cabinets and pantry. And sure enough, I go on Pinterest and I was like, I hope I don't have to go to the store. And I don't. Everything that I need, I already had. Crazy, right? So it says to do 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm going to do that. Reagan, hold this, baby. No. Hold it this way. Now just hold it like that. Don't move it. Just hold it like this, okay? So they can see. Reagan, just hold it like that, baby.
Hey guys, this is
Don't put it on me. Just hold it right here. 4 tablespoons. Reagan, are you looking over here? 4 tablespoons. That's 1. Okay, I had the pot on for a while, which I probably shouldn't have done. 2. 3. And 4 tablespoons. Okay. And then it says to use, so that's my 4 tablespoons. And then it says to use, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So I'm going to do that.
That's the same one that you use in my hair.
Yes, but this is a different bottle. The one I use in our hair is upstairs. I mean, you can use coconut oil, no lie, for anything. You want to smell it? Right, hold on. It doesn't even smell like anything.
Well, it's almost
Let me turn this down. Put it on low.
It looks like the color
And it says 4, and I'm using tablespoons. And here's my husband.
It's too big.
Both of us took the day off so that we can
It's too big.
No, it's fine.
Wow, look like this.
Oh, that's thick. I'm making homemade cough syrup for her with honey, lemon juice, and coconut oil. I'm trying to dig it in here. Y'all gotta excuse me. Okay, so that's 2 tablespoons. Yeah, she just threw up from coughing. That's why I said I'm about to give her, I'm about to make. So we both, because my daughter isn't feeling well. So hopefully,
Take me outside so I can do it outside.
hopefully this works.
might need some fresh air.
She might do.
I don't want no percent.
Fresh air is when you go outside. Like maybe go sit on the porch or something.
Okay, I'd like to go outside.
And then it says, okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey for a taste. Okay. And take a spoon out of my mason jar and just sort of stir it together. Yes, Reagan. You turn the TV? Wow, she was watching TV down here. And just kind of stir this together. I guess I'm doing it right. I mean, the instructions seem pretty simple. Gotta wait for it to cool off though. Okay, so it say heat it up just enough. Yeah, it already melted. Just enough to melt it. I'm gonna stir it. And then it say that you can store it, I guess like in a little jar or whatever, and put it in the fridge. I'm gonna keep mine out for a few days until her cough has subsided. So that is my homemade. I'm gonna come back like a little bit later when it's settled and cooled and everything, let you all see. Okay guys, I'm back. I ended up adding more honey to it because I was wondering why it wasn't as thick as the ladies I saw in on Pinterest, and it's because I didn't add enough honey the first time. Apparently, okay, that is 1/3 cup, and I did not add that much at all, like at all. And that's why it's important to use measuring cups and whatnot. So I added more honey, and as you can see, the consistency of it has definitely thickened. So now it is a syrup, as it should be, instead of just all liquidy how I had it the first time. So being that it was still pretty warm, I just added the some more honey, and I just kind of stirred it up, just enough to make the honey, you know, mix in with it. So I thought I was gonna have to put it like in the microwave, but I don't. I'm gonna taste it. Oh, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. And some add-ins that you can do is apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and I believe it say not all of them. You choose one, I believe. And I think, well, I don't know, maybe you could put all of it in there. But I added cayenne pepper, just a tad bit of cayenne, not a lot, just literally a dash of cayenne pepper. But it says that you can add, what's that, oregano oil or whatever. I don't have that, so I just used the cayenne pepper. But yeah, this is how much I made, about a half a cup. Yeah, I had to look at it, y'all. About a half a cup, I suppose. And like I said, you can see it's definitely thickened up compared to how it was before. And I already gave her some. I used this little measuring cup here, and because it don't have like, I guess, like medicine in it, you can administer it to your kids just whenever. I gave her 1.5 teaspoons, which is 7.5. Okay, yeah, I gave her about 1.5 teaspoons around 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna give her some more, you know, in a little while. And like I said, this is literally just lemon juice, coconut oil, honey, pure honey, and a dash of cayenne pepper. I probably could have put some more cayenne pepper in there. I don't want to overdo it. You can see the cayenne pepper in it though. But yeah, so I'm just gonna because I plan on using all of this like within the next couple of days, I'm going to just leave mine out so it can stay melted. I'm not going to put it in the fridge. You can put it in the fridge like if you plan on doing it for long-term use. But yeah, that's going to be gone within the next couple of days. So I'm just going to keep mine out, rinse out her little cup, and sit it there and just administer to your baby whenever. So, thanks.